this out. Not only did I find a hook here and a screw, but look at this. Found a couple sockets here. What if there's a possible tool chest down there? Now, I'm way too hopeful for that, but that'd be a cool theory. Nothing else fancy on this magnet. Check it out. Found a really nice lead head right here. Really good condition. I'm adding that to my tackle box. I just scored something here. It says weight to it. Holy moly. There we are. Alright, let's find out what this is. Oh my gosh. That's big. Oh. Whoa. What is that? Oh, I'm stuck. Ah. There we go. Whoa. Wow. What the heck? Let's get the other side. There we go. Wow. What is that? Wow. There's wood on the inside of it there. There's a great big, I'm curious about that eyelet that's right on the end there. Wow, that's a heavy duty piece of metal. Holy cow. Is that even gonna fit in my trunk? I have to put my seats down. On this throw, we got a Bud Light cap and another Bud Light cap. How about that? Bunch of fishing line that I'll throw away at home, and a hook. Alright, definitely feel like I have something here, and sure enough, looks like I got a pipe here. Glad it's not one of those 12-footers that I found earlier this week. Get all that out of there. Heck yeah. Nice pipe there. Alright, what do I got this time? Ooh. I think this is a piece of scrap here. Yep. That is definitely off of a barrel, maybe. And a couple of nails, or this hook thing. I feel something of decent weight here. Very nice. Whoa. That's cool. No idea what the heck this thing is, what it came off of. That's cool. Nice solid piece of scrap. Alright, I got something coming up here. My grapple hook had to help me here. Wow, this feels big. Whoa. Whoa. What the heck? Wow. This is what I was screwing around with. Looks like part of something. Probably part of an old boat or something. That's cool. Finally got it up. I've been fighting this thing forever. Alright. That's cool. A lot of sinkers on this thing too. Alright, something new is coming up here. I feel the vibrations off of this. It feels long. It feels kind of long. Maybe not. It felt kind of thin actually. That's pretty wild. Wow, that's a lot of debris. Wow. And there's a piece of glass right there too. I'll have to be careful with that. This can go in my scrap bucket. This washer can. Alright, looks like I got some more scrap here. Whoa! Let's see, I'll throw that in there. Somebody was having a bad day. They lost their fishing reel. Nice. Good thing I got that out of there. I'll toss that when I get home. That's cool. I am just scoring it with the new jigs today. This one is brand new. That hook is so shiny. Then we got another one that's not so new. Got a hook there, or a lead head. Little piece of scrap. And I'm fighting something new right in front here. Check this out. That's kind of unique, isn't it? So weird. Is there maybe, I think there might be an old sign down there. Check it out. I have another beer can opener right here. Could be cleaned up. And then we got a Corona bottle cap here. And just some scrap. Big object coming on in. This thing feels hollow or long, I can't tell. But it's bouncing off of everything out there. Oh, and it's right here now. This feels big. Wow, this is big. Heck yeah. What do I got here? Oh no, it's a pole. Whoa. Oh, I know what that thing is. Oh my gosh. I've been catching a lot of these things lately. This is a ice pick. Another ice pick. I've been finding so many of these. Wow. These are heavy duty. Let me get some of these muscles off. There we go. Now, if you guys can see the bottom of it, it's down, it kind of narrows down to a point, and yeah, people would use these to chop at the ice. Pretty cool. Oh, there we go. Got myself some more scrap. Oh yeah. There we go. Alright, what do I got here? Got this triangular looking object here. Throw that in my scrap. First I thought this was a key. That's actually an eye bolt. And just some more scrap. And a screw. What do I got now? Let's find out. Whoa. Hey. Looks like I got the end of a pipe here. And a large bolt. That's cool. There we go. I got a fishing line hook on my shoe. There. That's some nice scrap. We're filling up the bucket here.